registered companies owing taxes in Trinidad and Tobago will now have until December 13th to pay their arrears. Minister of Finance Com Imber, speaking in the lower house on Friday, noted the last extension for an amnesty against penalties for filing of annual returns and other documents by companies ended on November 14th. He said stakeholders have been calling for an extension to be continued to March 2025. And initially, after a lot of discussion, the government decided to extend the amnesty for the filing of company returns to January 31st. However, it has been determined that the extension to January 2025 was inappropriate and could threaten Trinidad and Tobago's rating of being largely compliant with the Global Forum.
We determined that a revised deadline of December the 13th, 2024 is more appropriate. This strikes a balance between fulfilling our international obligations and offering another extended window for citizens to comply with their filing requirements under the Companies Act.
Minister Imber noted since COVID, a number of amnesties have been granted by the Office of the Attorney General and the Ministry of Legal Affairs through the Registrar General's Department for the waiver of penalties against companies for the failure to file annual returns and other company documents. He said it is very important that we do this to continue our mission to come off all of these international non-compliant lists.
Application of the extended deadline of January 31st and now a revised deadline of December 13th, this may cause some inconvenience, but companies have had months, I dare say years, to file their returns, and I hope people understand how important it is, how fragile our situation is in terms of our compliance